A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to start revision of lesson number 14, the adjective. See, as you know that your unit tests are about to start. Yes, your second unit tests are around the corner. So, we shall start revision of English grammar from today. Before starting revision, let's have a look on your second unit test syllabus. Here on the screen you can see second unit test syllabus of English grammar. In English grammar, lesson number 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Yes, from lesson number 14 to lesson number 18. This is your syllabus of English grammar second unit test. You have to prepare these chapters. So, firstly, let us start the topic, the adjective. We have already studied about this chapter. Yes, this is chapter number 14 and the topic is the adjective. So, let's have a revision. Firstly, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Yes, an adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. In short, we can say adjectives are addition words of the noun. They are directly related to noun. Or you can say adjectives are describing words of noun. Let us understand adjectives with some examples. Now, Neha is a pretty girl. Manish is an intelligent boy. See, adjectives are addition words of noun. So first let us find out noun here in these sentences. Neha and girl in first sentence and Manish and boy in second sentence. These words are noun. So here girl is a noun. So what is the addition word of girl which we have added to girl? Yes, that word is pretty. है ना? Pretty is a describing word of girl. So pretty is adjective here. In the second sentence, boy is a noun. And the word which we have added to boy to describe boy, that is intelligent. So intelligent is adjective word here. So adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Now, how many kinds of adjectives are there? Yes, adjectives may be divided into 6 kinds. Okay, we are having 6 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and last one is interrogative adjectives. Let us discuss about all these kinds one by one. First is adjectives of quality. See, adjectives of quality. See, they describe qualities of persons or things. Adjectives of quality describes qualities of persons or things. Means adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Adjectives which tell us of what kind a person is or of what kind a thing is are called adjectives of quality. Second is adjectives of quantity. See, adjectives of quantity tell us how much of a thing is meant. How much of a thing is meant. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. how much of a thing is meant. Adjectives which tell us how much of a thing is meant are called adjectives of quantity. Means how much thing do you need. Then next is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number tell us how many people or things are meant. How many people or things are meant. They are always used with countable nouns. Students, remember this thing that adjectives of number always used with countable nouns. That means adjectives of number answer the question how many. How many of people, how many of things. Adjectives which tell us how many of things or how many of persons are meant are called adjectives of number. Next kind is demonstrative adjectives. Let's revise demonstrative adjectives. See, demonstrative adjective. See, firstly, let us discuss the words which we use to demonstrate. This, that, these and those. These are the words which we use to demonstrate. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant and are always used before the nouns they refer to. Okay, demonstrative adjectives point out which person or which thing is meant and they always used before the nouns they refer to. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. And the words which we use to demonstrate are this, that, these and those. This and that are used with singular nouns and these and those are used with plural nouns. So adjectives which point out which person or thing is meant are called demonstrative adjectives. Next, we are having possessive adjectives. See, possessive adjectives are used to show that someone owns or possesses a thing. They are always used before nouns. They are always used before nouns. So, an adjective which tells us about a thing owned by someone is called possessive adjective. Next and the last kind is interrogative adjectives. See, interrogative adjectives, they are used with nouns to ask questions. Okay, always remember that they are used with nouns to ask questions. Means adjectives, interrogative adjectives when used just before nouns to ask questions. Okay, interrogative adjectives are used just before nouns to ask questions. So these are the kinds of adjectives. We have studied about 6 kinds of adjective. Now let us have some examples of each kind. Okay, let us have some examples of each kind. See, first example, Mumbai is a large city. So what kind of city it is? Large. Quality. Adjectives of quality. There is little tea in the kettle. How much tea is there in the kettle? How much? Yes, quantity. So little. Adjectives of quantity. There are few photographs in this album. How many photographs are there? Few. Yes, so it is adjectives of number. This book is mine. Which book is yours? This. So this is demonstrative adjectives. It is used to demonstrate. This is my mobile. My is possessive adjectives. It shows the possessiveness. My. Whose house is this? Whose. Whose is used to ask questions. So it is interrogative adjectives. So these are the examples of each kind. So, dear students, we have studied about the adjectives. Once again, just listen to the definition carefully. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. So that's all for today's class. We will do the revision of next chapter in next class. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.